My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are well. We'll do exercise 3.6, question number 1 and its part, and we'll start question number 2 as well. I am doing chapter number 3, variation, class 10 science group. I have told you that I am doing the questions which were asked in the board exams as long questions. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button as well so that you may find the new videos notification in time. So I'm doing part 5, question number 1. It is exercise 3.6. The question is if A is to be proportion to C is to D for A, B, C, D not equal to 0, then show that P times A plus B plus QB equals to dot P times C plus D plus QD equals to 8 is to C. So mean we can write it solution. We can write it P A plus B plus QB divided by P C plus D plus QD equals to A over C. Okay, just taking the left hand side, and now we know A is to B, portion to C is to D, means A over B equals to C over D. Let A over B equals to C over D equals to K, implies A equals to BK and C equals to DK. Just taking left hand side, we have P times A plus B plus QP divided by P times C plus D plus QD. Right, just putting the values, A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. So we have P times BK plus B plus QB divided by P times DK plus D plus QD. QD. Right, so taking B common, we have on the, yes, we have PK plus PB plus Q. We have taken B common plus Q divided by taking D common. We have PK plus P plus Q equals to, so we have cancelled this factor. We have D over D, which is our right hand side. We just name it as number 1. Just taking the right hand side now. So right hand side we have C over D, sorry, A over C. Now just A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. We have A is equal to BK divided by C is equal to DK. We have common factor K cancelled. We have B over A, sorry, B over D, right? So B over D, which is naming as 2. So now from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so we have uh, left hand side equals to right hand side, means P times A plus B plus QB divided by P times C plus D plus QD equals to A over C, which is our final answer. And we finish the question here. And if you want to ask anything, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of each video. And if you want to give me the suggestions, you may give the suggestion on the same number as WhatsApp messages. Now come to question number 2. Exercise again 3.6. Question number 2. If now there are more ratios, A over B equals to C over D equals to E over F, then show that or verify A over B equals to in the root A square plus B square plus C square divided by A square B square C square B square D square F square. A square B square E square, and divided by B square this is C, I think. Yes, C square, and this one is B square plus D square plus F square. Okay, the numerators and the denominators. Okay, left hand side, let A over B equals to C over D equals to E over F equals to K. So then A equals to BK, C equals to DK, and E equals to FK. So left hand side, A over B. So now A equals to BK implies BK over B. So B got cancelled. We left with K, which is named as number 1. Now going to the right hand side, we have A square plus C square plus E square divided by B square plus D square plus F square and the root. So we have A equals to BK, C equals to DK, and E equals to FK. Just substituting the values here, we have BK, B square K square, plus D square K square, plus F square K square. Divided by, we have D square plus D square plus K F square. Right, we have taking K square common. From the numerator, we have B square plus D square plus F square, and in the denominator we have B square plus D square plus F square. Right, just the square root of it, okay? Right, so K square root is the right hand side. We have equals to K, which is equals to number 1. Sorry, number 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we have left hand side equals to right hand side, means A over B equals to A square plus C square plus E square divided by B square plus D square plus F square. Right, so which is proved, hence proved. Right, I hope that you have understood this question well. If there are some doubts, you may ask me on the messages on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. If you want to give suggestions, you may give the suggestions on the same number. And please subscribe my channel, and please tell the others as well to subscribe this channel as well. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for cooperating. Allah आपका हामी और नासिर हो. Thank you very much.